Hello guys, welcome to TrueTech Academy. Welcome to TrueTech Academy. So TrueTech Academy gives best coaching for RRB JEs, SSC JEs and ECET coaching. So ECET, RRB JE, SSC JE for all branches. So here the faculty, all the faculty almost are qualified GATE and they are in research scholars in IT institutions. So this opportunity is everyone who have needed for technical subjects. So we will provide all the technical subjects. This academy, TrueTech Academy, follow YouTube channel, Facebook, Twitter, Insta, Telegram links. Welcome to TrueTech Academy. Thank you.